In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack QR code. Generating a Slack QR code is a simple way to make onboarding faster, help people join your workspace more easily, and reduce the need to manually type long invite links on a phone. It can be especially useful for internal team onboarding, hybrid meetings, office check-in areas, or welcome materials. One important reminder before you begin: anyone who scans the QR code may be able to join your workspace, so only share it in secure and trusted places. To start, open the Slack desktop app on your computer and go into the workspace you want people to join. In the top left corner of the Slack window, click on your workspace name to open the management menu. From there, choose the option that says Invite People to your workspace. A pop-up window will appear, and inside that window, click Copy Invite Link. This gives you the active join link that your QR code will point to. If you want a little more control before moving on, you can also click Edit Link Settings. This is optional, but it can be very helpful if you want to set an expiration date or limit how many times the invite link can be used. That adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent the link from being reused longer than intended. Next, open a new browser tab on your desktop. You'll now need a secure QR code generator to turn that Slack invite link into a scannable code. Visit a trusted free QR code generator website. Once the page loads, look for the option to create a code from a URL, since your Slack invite link is a web address. Click into the URL field and paste in the invite link you copied from Slack. You can do that by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut for your device. As soon as the link is entered, the QR generator should automatically create the code for you on the screen. After that, you can customize the appearance of the QR code. Use the design settings to adjust the color palette so it matches your company branding if needed. You can also add a Slack logo or a simple scan to join frame around the code so people immediately understand what it's for. Just make sure the code stays clear and easy to scan. When everything looks right, click Download and export the file in a high-resolution format, ideally PNG or SVG for better print quality. The finished QR code will be saved to your computer and will be ready to place into onboarding documents, presentation slides, or printed signs. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.